Ka Sorkar jela kala penbenaya ka raiwan penjelannya ka samoi treikam jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC. Sa hendriu benai hadian ka jingmi jong ka jingaki persya ya ka jingi shimbenta jong ki bom day riulum haka election jong ka council. Ya kini ka rai la ai jing menjur da ka kenhun menteri haka jingi lang bala penyai da menteri rang ba ka jela ukonrat ki sangma ring ba ka video haka khandriu terik leber. Haba keren syakilat patai kubur hadin ke jingelang usumbut menteri rangba ba khmi e katanat kampo ying bat district council affairs uba preston tensong ulaong baka kenhun menteri kalaya kenduk banya kerentang halor kawe kamat kabaya dei bat ka jing penjelan ya kasamoi treikam bamenta jong ka GHADC. Hadian kejingnya keren bat ya ther benia ka kenhun menteri kala rai ban penjelan ya kasamoi treikam jong ka council sana kebentah nriu benai ka ban sedang naduk ka khat praterik u yayong haduh ka khat praterik u Risaw hajar hunriu ulaong. Kadi karai kalawan long tang kendiat kenta hadian bau albinus marak ulahyar syuki kum u chief executive member CEM hapdeng ke jingwan ra ya ka no confidence motion daki arpuingut ki MDC jong ka council. Tang hakapor janmit ka ying dorbar kala jit ya u DCH sangma kum u CEM bethamai bat thau ya ka executive committee bethamai. Ngas ngokmen ben pentip syapi baro baha ka janmit jong ka khandriu tarik leber ka jing dorbar kala jit ya u CEM bethamai u DCH sangma ong uba preston. Habakli halor ka jing betha ya ki kertong baki dei bandon ya ka Sernot Schedule Tribe SD uba preston ula ong bakani ka kamenta ka syong haka executive committee bathamai bakan penben. Mentangi i ka jing start jong ka isi bathamai ban shim ya ka rai halor ka mat ka baya dei bat ka Sernot ST lani halor ka kam baya dei bat ka jing ya khun election da ki riulum bat ki bam dei riulum ula ong. Kani karai kalawan long ru hadian kendiat sengi baka Sorkar kala pensange syuaya ka election syaka GHADC kabadai ban long haka shiphotrik uyayong bat ka jingnyo vote balabu ban long haka khatsau tarik yayong hadian ka jingmi jong ka jingya kenat halor ka jing persya ya ka jingya shimbenta jong ki bomdai riulum haka election syaka GHADC. Uba preston ulaong baka ni kajing penjelan ka bahnriu benai kan penyo shibun ka por na kebenta ka isi bethamai bakan ya keren bat shimrai ha ka bayade bat ka Sernot ST. Ngilong ki bakloy na mar POE baka isi bethamai bat UCEM bethamai ken hab ban shim ya ka jingkit kli bat wat ka Sorkar ru kan hab ban shim ya ka jingkit kli da ka ba khot sya ka jing ya keren hapo ka jing penya jong menteri rangba bat ru ha ka kerdan jong UCEM ka GHADC namar ngi kwa ban shim lang ya ka jing menjur jong baro bat ban pen urlong ya ki jing angnut ki briu jongi ulaong. Haba shim ya ka ni karai ka kenhun menteri kum ka bakong san uba preston ulaong balai ka Sorkar kala pensange ya ka election ka de namar ka jingmi jong ka jing ya kenat kani kalami namar ka jing angnut jong ki pajba ki persya ya ka jing shimbenta jong ki bomdai riulum ha ka election GHADC. Kumta ka rai bala shimbenta ka sengi ngatharai babaro kinong syong ka rilum garo ki deiban kemen ula benram. Haba kenta ya ki jing keno jong ki liang persya ba ka jing penjelan ya ka election kalong ban penya ya ka por na ka benta ka parti Sinshar National People's Party ula banjur ba ka san perthai kamdei satya ka jing thumu. Ngathara ya mentahi ngim ya keren syapang ka NPP nekino hinu ki seng san perthai kam don kum kata ka jing thumu san perthai kham tam na kaliang ka parti Sinshar ka NPP ngim don kanu ka jing thumu san perthai henrei ngi kwa ban penti kena baya ka jing angnut jong ki pajba on la ban pun urlong la ka long kumno ru ulaong.
Only one agenda for the cabinet to decide, and that agenda is relating to the extension of term of Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. After deliberation, after discussion, all the details, then the cabinet has decided to extend the terms of the present house of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council for a period of 6 months with effect from 18 April 2026 up to 18 October 2026. This is the decision taken by the cabinet today. It should be after 18 April because see the extension will be effective from 18 April 2026 up to again 18 of October 2026. We are open to this. From the government side, we are open. Because see, the new EC, the new executive committee and the new CM has to take the responsibility. Side by side, even the government will also take the responsibility of calling, inviting for discussion across the table in the level of the government under the chairmanship of the Honorable Chief Minister and as well as in the level of the CEM of the Karo Hills Autonomous District Council, because we would like to ultimately carry along everybody and to meet the aspirations of our people. I think this is the common phenomena. You can't just say like that. Since about 21 MDCC, I think you knew it well, that day before yesterday, they paraded themselves and met the Honorable Governor. All the 21 of them, as per the rules. Since they are there 20 and above, so the Governor ultimately, in his wisdom, take a call or take a decision. And accordingly, that day, he decided that the issue of CEM or the issue of leadership needs to be proved inside the house. That's why special session was called. Because you need to understand one thing. CEM and chairman of this council is the elected post. It's a constitutional post. If you want to remove, it should be inside the house. Not outside the house. It should be inside the house. Prove the majority. But let me just tell you one thing. Today, before the session starts, the former CM of the District Council, Shri Albinos Armara, he submitted his resignation well before he faced the no confidence inside the house. Let me just inform to all of you that again today in the morning, the CM of the District Council, Shri Albinos Armara, has resigned from the post of CM, and I'm also happy to inform to all of you that again in the afternoon of today, again the House has elected new CM by the name of Shri Dharmanath CH Sangma. So the new EC is now in place again, and with the decision taken by the cabinet today to extend the term of the House for another 6 months, now we leave it to the wisdom of the new executive committee to take a call on the issue of scheduled tribe or on the issue of contesting election both by tribal and non-tribal, as far as Karo Hills Autonomous District Council is concerned. No, you see, number one, let me tell you one thing. If the CM does not consult his own colleague in the executive committee, because see, I think you must have seen that notification. That notification where he ultimately notified in his level about the ST certificate, I'm not saying that it is wrong. In fact, maybe it is right, but it is not as per the prescribed norms, as per the rules. Why should he alone sign the notification? Because this has to be brought to the house. But that itself, he did not do it. So therefore, 21 members of the MDC, ultimately they said, he is not fit to continue as the CEM of the Karo Hills Autonomous District Council. Therefore, he has to ultimately resign from the post. Why? Example, it's because of that. A person as a CEM who does not understand the participation or the discussion, be it in his own executive committee or be it inside the house. So therefore, this is his failure, and ultimately all the MDCs, they went against him.
So this was after the party denied the party ticket to him.
Well, even if the ticket is, I think that is not a new thing. It is not a new thing. For ticket, denial of ticket or allotting ticket, I think this is common issue to every political party. So just because the party does not give you a ticket, can you ultimately deviate yourself from the prescribed norms or the prescribed regulation? You can't do that. All these concerns, and within 6 months' time, we have time to ultimately accommodate or to do the necessary amendment, whatever arises. I think right now we don't talk about NPP or any other political parties. We are talking about the agenda, the boiling issue, the boiling agenda, which is expressed by the people of Karo Hills. There is no such political agenda, especially from the NPP side, from the ruling side. We don't have any political agenda at all. But we would like to make sure that the aspiration of the people is met at any cost.